right, pictures not quite on set. Roll sound.
This is how we made The Sound of Violet, day 3. It's an interesting journey so far. We had a few unlovely things happen. Camera truck wouldn't start. We lost an entire scene because of a little mess up. And a few other things happened, but we're staying strong. We're gonna get through this. So we're shooting again outside. Now, you guys have been doing the lines, I think, a little differently because Colin doesn't think someone can be a full-time actor in Seattle. I do other jobs to get by. He doesn't think we should even be together.
Yeah, I have been doing that differently.
Okay. So let's try to do that.
That way.
You're an adult, yeah. So if you can lean in on his chest. Yeah, exactly. Action. The last scene before this was you waiting for the car for an uncomfortably long time. So now we'll start off on the bench because you're waiting for your client to show up, okay? So then the car will pull in and then you'll see him. And they say, you don't have to wait for me. I thought maybe in the wide we see what's happening, but then we push in on him and we see him doing the colors. And then we go to the wide and then she comes back from the car.
You okay?
Just listening to the colors of the bridge. Some of the senses in my brain are mixed up. It's called synesthesia. Whenever I look closely at colors, I hear sounds.
What's that sound like?
Clang!
Not what I thought.
Okay, cut.